Mollusks have the best fossil record of any invertebrate group, and are second only to foraminiferans in the quality of their record. From the Cambrian, fossils of basal mollusks resemble segmented worms, which have segmented shells. And there are two groups of primitive mollusks alive today which retain vestiges of their worm ancestry, such as the chitons, which still have segmented shells. All groups of mollusks were established by the Cambrian period. As far as the origin of mollusks, there are some Precambrian fossils known from the Ediacaran period, which seem to represent transitional forms such as Kimberella in the evolution of mollusks. There are also a number of embryos known which have some molluscan features. So mollusks, or at least their ancestors, may have been present by the Ediacaran. The earliest Cambrian sediments have a number of tiny fossils which are referred to as SSFs, small shelly fossils. These may be the segmented shells of early mollusks which had segmented protection along their worm-like bodies. Bivalves are mollusks which have two halves of their shell, such as clams, oysters, scallops, etc. These and the snails, or gastropods, were dominant invertebrates during the Mesozoic era. They existed during the Paleozoic era, but they were not as common or diverse, and they played a subordinate role to what is known as the Paleozoic fauna. The invertebrate communities were dominated by brachiopods, bryozoans, crinoids, tabulate corals, and rugose corals. Much of this Paleozoic fauna became extinct during the end Paleozoic extinctions of the Permian. And when the Mesozoic began, bivalves and gastropods became dominant invertebrates in the seafloor. Some, such as this land snail, would venture out onto land in terrestrial environments as well.